My name is Manasa. Like I came as a volunteer here. So yeah, so the company name is EcoRoll Company. Like manufacturing is from Maharashtra, Pune. So what all is there here is we have a rendering machine, rendering plant. So normally we have like we will be seeing the wastage from the chicken, right? Like what kind of wastage usually we have like birds, like not birds, bones, feathers, and eggshells. All this comes under wastage. Usually we throw that wastage, but instead of throwing, we can make profit out of it. So how means like we, as I've discussed earlier, we are providing rendering plant. So that rendering plant we will be having minimum capacity is from 500 kgs, and that goes up to 7.5 tons. So the minimum capacity, as I have told you, 500 kgs, right? It costs around 20 lakhs. We'll be providing you the complete setup with extra accessories. No other company will provide with extra accessories. So what all happens here is the wastage we whatever we give input to the rendering plant, that will be providing us the output in the form of powder. So that powder can be used for chicken feed, egg feed, fish feed. Yeah, we are using that because like normally what poultry like rendering is in the sense we are collecting the waste and we are making profit out of it. We are like useful thing out of it, right? So we are getting the powdery format that can be used for chicken feed, fish feed, and pet feed, and also we can extract oil from it. So we also have the buyers connection, so we will be providing the buyers connections to them so that they can take a contract and yeah. Basically, I've told you I came here as a volunteer, right? So actually, this about this thing, they didn't give me like briefing also. I just gone through it through the flex, and I realized this is a very good concept actually, and no one knows about this. Yeah, no one knows about it in and around Hyderabad. Not only in and around Hyderabad, but also in India. So in Telangana or in Andhra Pradesh, we have less rendering plant systems. So this is really a good idea, and which also connects with the eco-friendly system. So yeah, completely very happy. I'm very satisfied with all of this, and also not only our stall, I'm also exploring other stalls that are doing very great job. We actually know that one quotation there will be, networking is net worth. Yeah, so by doing all these events, we can get connections from everyone. So we can improve our connection, increase our connections and networking. So yeah.